Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, do you like mead, do you like cider, do you want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we're going to try something new. Today we're going to try a ginger cider, so stay tuned. Today we'll be making a ginger cider. If you follow my channel and you've been here for a while, you know cider is my favorite drink to make and to drink. So summertime's getting close, so I decided to put a little kick into some of my ciders by adding some ginger. So let's go over what you'll need. Let's go over what you'll need to make a ginger cider. Of course, you're going to need a gallon of juice, no preservatives in it other than citric acid. I like to boost the alcohol content just a little bit, so I put a cup of light brown sugar per gallon, and you can double, triple, 5 times this recipe if you like. You're going to need your gallon fermenter if you're making the gallon. And you'll need your airlock, and today I'll be using a white wine yeast. It's a Red Star Premier Cuvée. And you'll need 1 clove, a large clove of ginger, mostly peeled and chopped up. I just used a food processor and chop it up. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Put the light brown sugar in the funnel, and a little tip. Go ahead and open up your. All right, come on. Open up your apple juice. We're going to pour a little bit of the juice in to help the sugar go down. There it goes. You can go ahead and add in half your juice too if you like. Going to add the ginger. So add your dry to your funnel, then wash it down with the juice. And you can set your funnel aside real quick. Put your top on your juice. Need some air in there, so give it a good shake. And we're all going to shake this up too. Oxygen is good before you ferment. Bad after you ferment, because that's when you get vinegar. So we'll top off most of the juice. Leave a little head space. Okay, set your funnel aside. Now, always keep the tops. This is nothing but a jug wine, so always keep your tops. So I'm gonna get the top, put it on, shake it up real good to get this sugar incorporated, and we'll be right back. Okay, got the top on there. Turned upside down and shake it up. I like this part. Shake it up. Ooh. It don't take long. This also gets that nice ginger flavor working in there. You could see all the sugar is gone from the bottom and incorporated. So let's add the rest of our juice. Well, you know what? It'd help if I took the top off there, wouldn't it? And you want to fill it up about 1 inch from the top. After all those bubbles settle, it'll be 1 inch from the top. One last step is to add your yeast. I'm going to be adding half this pack today. This pack will do up to 5 gallons but I got another batch coming right after this, so I'm going to use just half of this one. So pour in about just the whole pack or just half the pack will do. Like I said, I got another batch coming right after this one, so I'm going to set that aside. You don't have to shake it up again, just give it a little swirl. And you can add yeast nutrient here if you need to. If it's a real hard, difficult thing I've got to ferment, high acid content, a lot of times I'll add some to it, but that's optional. I'm not going to do it today. And that's it. And that's how I make a ginger cider. Fermentation will start in a day or two, up to 3, and fermentation will take place over 7 to 10 days. And in 2 weeks, I'll probably rack it to a secondary to get it off that ginger. And then 2 weeks after that, I'll bottle condition and bottle it. 2 weeks after that, I will enjoy it. So about a month and a half, this right when summer kicks in, that's when we'll be enjoying this. So if you like what you see here, and if you want to help support my channel, there's Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you click any of those, even though you don't need any equipment, you click any of those and go about your average everyday Amazon shopping, I'll get credit for your purchases, and it help to buy equipment and ingredients. So there are also links in the description below to my Facebook group. Join there. We'll swap, share tricks and tips, and just build a community. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.